Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx YouTube channel, and this is Redmi Note 7 Pro custom ROM reviews. Welcome back, guys. This is Android version 12L, Blaze version 1.5 EOL. You can see here 5th September 2022, latest security patch. Kernel used here is 4.14.212, Azure discombobulated plus kernel. September 11th is the build date, and Linux status is enforcing. Based on Android 12L, you can see this is how the Android version, and I have been running the CPU throttling test. You can see here for 15 minutes, and this is for 100 threads, guys, not for 20 or 10 threads. You can see the maximum is 180 and average is 169 and minimum is 156, and it's throttled to 91% of its max performance. It's quite good. There is no yellow or red kind of lines. It's fine, but this is just the app reviews. It's not perfect here, but you will get an idea here. And you can see the UI is very smooth, and this is how I'm using Accu battery also. You will get a little bit of idea here. And this all the quick settings panel. If you want, you can customize them. And into settings, as you can see, this is how the settings panel look. I'll go in deep later. You can see here, and dialer, starting with the dialer first. Let me increase the volume. You can see here direct video call feature is available, and there is a call recording feature also, but it will announce the other person that you are recording the call. That's how it is. And coming with some of the benchmark results, Geekbench scores, you can see here. Into history, you can see single score is not that good, 446, and multi score is 1417, and Linux 4.14.212. Azure discombobulated plus kernel has been based on Android 12L. Now going into Android benchmark result, you can see app opening time simultaneously. Here are the scores: 2,77,090, and temperature is a little bit higher here, 5.7 degrees Celsius, and 4% of battery has been dropped during this testing. It is fine in my opinion, but it's not a great even. It's how it is. There is a little bit of thermal going above, but it's not too much also. You can consider it as a daily driver based on battery also. I will be explaining that. You can see in the accurate battery, you will get a little bit of idea here. I'll get closer. You can see screen on and screen off time and average mAh and how many hours left. If you use like this, it will be around 3 hours 19 minutes left now, but you can make it out as a 1 day battery life in this particular ROM. And charging animation I will show you here. You guys can see here, the face unlock is very quick. Again, you can see its charging speeds are on normal using the 10-watt charger. That's how the battery life and charging speeds and Android benchmark results. Now moving into some of the app settings like safety net status. Whether to use it payment applications, will it work or not, you need to check this. It's get passed, the Play Store is certified as, device is certified here, hence you can use all the payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever you want to use. You can use WhatsApp is also working fine. Google Maps are also working fine, no problem regarding that. And DRM info, here also app opening times is a little bit okay. Don't consider with some other smartphones, guys. And you can see level 1 certification such that you can watch all the OTT applications in high definition resolution. That's not the problem here. Now the social media apps are also working from Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, whatever you need to use, you can use. And FM radio is pre-installed here, and gallery application is also pre-installed here. Maps working fine. And there is one more good thing in this particular ROM is the Moto audio by Moto, Dolby, tuned by Dolby, whatever it is, it's given here. I kept to game here. Little bit vocals are clear in this particular preset. If and you can customize according to your taste, and you can refresh and reset it. And you can see this is the version of Moto audio is given here, which will make a little bit of difference. I will be using this JBL 3.5mm headphone jack. That's fine. With the headphone jack I'm using this earphones, which is fine. No earpiece problem while taking calls also, and carrier aggregation support is also there, no problem regarding that. And I have here like 100 Mbps Geo Giga fiber connection, you can check out here. it's pulling up to 90 to 95 MB, which is not a problem. And if you're first time to this channel, hit the subscribe button down below guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is a quick settings panel. You get plenty of options. Dark theme you can enable, and it's in pitch black condition, you guys can see, hope so. Advanced restart button is also given, and settings panel, as you can see, it's arranged like this in the dark theme. Let me disable that. It's fine actually. And all the quick toggles like torch, all the things, battery saver, screen recording options are also given. As you can see, you can record both audio and microphone, and bigger size limit you can enable. Some of the options you can see on the screen. Bluetooth, those things are working fine, no problem. If you want, you can further edit some of the settings, as you can see. If you want, you can do that too. Now moving into actual settings of this particular ROM, the project v1.5 EOL based ROMs this is. And display settings, you get all the basic settings. Dark theme, as you can see, if you want, you need to enable this pitch black theme, then only it will be in pitch black condition. That you need to keep in mind guys whenever you use the dark mode. Font size, display size, smallest width, night light, also there is a intensity option. You can enable or disable and increase or decrease, and colors are kept to saturated, and RGB strength also manually you can adjust. Screensaver option is there. I don't think so. Enable it, you will get a little bit of extra screen on time if you disable that. Ambient display also, I don't think so, you need to enable, just disable that. If you want notifications, you can turn on that. It's required, then you can turn it on. Tap to wake is working fine. And wallpapers and style, you get here under 12 style, nothing has been installed here. Dark theme, themed icons are given. App grid, you can choose from up to 6:10 option is available from 2:2. And there should be one options like basic colors, that's purely missing here. That's how it is. And blaze house, here you get plenty of customization. As you can see, headline, body font, you can choose here whichever font you need. You can signal icon pack and icon packs, Wi-Fi icon style and icon shape, you can customize from here. Now moving into status bar items, you get these kind of things. You can enable or disable from here. Traffic indicators are also working fine. Clock and date, you can customize them. Battery styles, battery style up to portrait, some of them are there. You can hide and keep it inside the battery icon, that's fine here inside the icon. Let's keep next to the icon. And double tap to sleep, here you need to enable that. Use old style mobile icons, you can see some of the customization which are present on the screen. And brightness slider, positioning, QS transparency, based upon QS panel you get customization. And lock screen customization, you can see here plenty are available. And these are the system wide customization. If you want, you can use them. There is no option to increase the high FPS count in any high-end games like Battle Royale. And this is the particular ROM. And moving into other settings like wallpapers and style, I already explained. Sound settings, you get all the basic settings. You can enable or disable from here. Media player also you can enable or disable from here. Me sound enhancer, direct sound settings are available. Headphone type you can choose, and preset and also scene, those things are available. Direct sound settings are provided with Moto audio Dolby surround system is also available in this particular ROM. Clear speaker option is also given. Apps, if you want, you can choose the default apps from here. Quick step launcher is this primary launcher. If you want, you can choose that also, installing in Play Store. Notifications, I have no problem in notifications receiving and pausing that's not the problem. And security, you get screen unlock, face unlock and fingerprint unlock. App locker is also pre-installed. Smart lock is also available, no need to worry. And phone, obviously it's decrypted. I did not format the data while flashing, hence it is decrypted. If you want encrypted, you need to format that. Location, as I said before, Google Maps, all the things are working fine. Battery, you get these kind of options. You can see the cycles completed and remaining, and battery optimization is given here. Per app you can choose. Battery usage you can check out, and battery saver also given here. No extreme battery saver though. This is how the customization available. Into accessibility menu, you are not getting here accessibility menu. As you can see, use button, but we need to enable that. I don't think so. We get haptic feedback strength you can customize, but accessibility menu is missing in this particular ROM. I hope they add in the upcoming build. Maybe very soon we'll get this project plays Android 13 based ROM for Redmi Note 7 Pro. Let me know in the comment section guys if you know that. This is how the project blend settings and system. As I shown before, system update option is there, gesture into system navigation, gesture navigation, left right edge is there, pill length also you can adjust from here, which is fine in my opinion. It's already above the actual screen, it's fine. If it is not there, you can also get some of the options. And 2 button 3 button navigation is fine. Swipe to screenshot, one-handed mode is also there, working fine. As you can see, that's not the problem here. All the basic Android 12 settings are working fine, and good thing about this ROM is the performance, which is good in my opinion. Very good performance, and you get some of the basic settings very good in this particular ROM. And the QS panel style is a little bit older but different from other ROMs. And this is the particular ROM, and I'll show the fingerprint and face unlock is. As you can see, fingerprint unlock is very quick in my opinion. As you can see, just tap, gets unlocked, and even the face unlock you can see it's also even quicker than fingerprint unlock. Those things are working fine. Internet connectivity, no issues, and taking calls, no issues according to that. Also, battery life is not that great. If you want a very good battery efficient ROM, then you can look at some other ROMs, but this is a very good performing ROM, and you get this Moto audio. If you need this, you can have a look on this. And the kernel used here is also, you already know that. This is how the particular ROM, and we'll meet with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.